A lot of times, for a lot of things, I think if this is happening, why is it happening? What was the reason it led me to this moment? It's been 6 months since I last uploaded anything here. Not because I stopped filming, but just because I didn't know what to do with all of it. I had a lot of videos, but no clear story. And honestly, I wasn't even sure if it mattered. I started documenting my life not because I had a plan, but because I didn't want to forget the small things. The way a day felt, the light, the pause before something changed, the places I have lived, the people I've spent time with. It all makes sense now because it's all that I have. In October last year, my family celebrated my birthday beautifully. They left no chance to make me feel special. Growing up, I've realized why I'm so sensitive to a lot of things. I have the answers now, but there was a time I used to think of it as a weakness. I think it's natural to feel that way. But now I can say that even if I'm a sensitive person, it's a strength for me. To be an artist, you have to feel the strongest and weakest parts of yourself. A lot of times we are uncertain if what we have chosen is good enough. Will it ever be able to satisfy us? But we will only understand it when we actually feel it. Even if it's a risk, there's an experience at the end. Now, when I look back on the last 24 years of my life, I feel I have my tribe and my vibe, both. I have friends who love me, books that introduce me to so many worlds, cups of coffee to keep me sane,
It's okay, I don't have to speak everything.
and a reason to believe in my creativity. So this video isn't about something big. It's a reminder to myself and to everyone struggling that it's all about the in-between. And why do I choose to film it all? Because I love the process. Sure, it's tough sometimes staying committed to it, and I'm still figuring out editing. I still struggle with discipline. I question myself a lot. But the only thing that has kept me going is that I enjoy it. And I'd like to embrace all of it. Even if it's imperfect, especially when it's imperfect. Because that's what makes me me.